Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and please subscribe to it by hitting the notification bell near the red subscribe button. And these are your bi-monthly readings for the second half of September. And as you know, they are general, so won't be resonating with each and every one of you. In that case, you can check your uh, moon sign and your name sign. Okay, so let's see what's there for you. Okay, so we have the Four of Swords, okay, the Three of Wands, the Death card, the Two of Wands, the Nine of Swords, okay, the Seven of Swords, the Queen of Cups, the Seven of Wands, and the Strength. Okay, let's see what are the messages from this deck. Okay, Eight of Hearts, guidance from the angels. Okay, we have intuition and insight. Okay, something has happened, something major has happened. Definitely some major event has happened in your life and you are healing from it, taking your time healing from it, trying to come out of it though. But there is something which is, you have totally surrendered to a situation. You have surrendered to a situation because you feel that is a right thing to do. Surrender in a way that you feel it is a right thing to you. You are not taking any action and you are just waiting for things to unfold gradually perhaps, or waiting for the right time or something like that. Though you are doing a lot of thinking, but you are not taking any action. Maybe your mind is still working, or you are praying or something like that to get a solution of something, or maybe waiting for the right time, whatever it is. But definitely there is a wait which is involved for whatever reason. Okay, and what I feel is, something has definitely ended. Something has ended. Because what I'm getting here is, though, because see, you have the resources. It's not that you are not capable, but the thing is, yet you are, I think here you are planning to take the action also. You are planning to make a move over here with due course of time, but still there is something which is bothering you a lot. There is some sort of struggle which is going on over here. There is some sort of deception which is going on actually. Perhaps you are not aware of the deception. Perhaps you are not able to understand who this person is behind your back. See, actually the thing is, even if you have the resources, because you are trying to take the action, you are trying to make a move now. You are, though you have surrendered to the situation, as I said, you have taken that time. You are waiting for the right opportunity, but now you are in a mood to take the action. Now you feel that you can. But yes, there is some anxiety because of this past event also, which whatever this has ended. But still, apart from this past experience, what I feel is there is still something which is going on in your life, which is deceptive or hidden. You really don't know what's going on. and because of this you are not able to make a move. Basically, either somebody is there in your vicinity who is behaving in such a way that you are not able to make a move forward in spite of having everything, and this is becoming a struggle for you. This movement ahead is becoming a struggle for you. Maybe you have taken a stand over something, or you're trying to take a stand, and whatever the situation is, it's really taxing you. It's really taxing your patience over here, taxing your patience, taxing your strength. You are using a lot of strength over here to come out of it. But there is something major which is going on in your life, causing a lot of stress over here. But over here with the Eight of Hearts, what I see is that there is hope. There is hope in this direction. Just have that strength, have that determination to move ahead. And I think things will be okay. Let me see if I can get some more information over here, Taurans. Yeah, we have the Ten of Wands, the Eight of Cups, and the Page of Wands. Okay, so here you are unburdening yourself. You will be able to move away from this negativity, and you will be able to come out of this struggle. Just keep moving. Just keep moving. Don't give up. Don't give up, because here with the Page of Wands you have a new beginning. You will be able to have this new beginning in whatever direction you are moving, whatever your plan is, whatever this thing is for you, which is not working out for whatever reason, and it is just not happening. It's become a struggle. It will happen. It will happen. The right time will come. You will be unburdening yourself, and you will be coming out of this. You will achieve. You will reach your destination. That's what I'm getting. You will be able to make it. Don't worry. You will be able to make it. And when you make it, you will feel as if nothing had happened. You will have that vitality. You will have that vigor. You will have that zeal to move ahead. Okay, so this will all this trouble will fade with the time. You will have that zest, that vitality, that happiness, and the zeal to move ahead. Number 18 or number 9 may be of some significance for you. Intuition and insight. Your intuitive abilities are very accurate right now, so you can trust your guidance to lead you in the right direction. That's what you are doing. You're praying, you've surrendered, you're waiting for the right time. You're not taking any action. That's what you are doing. And from here you will find the right answer. Follow your own instincts over the advice of others, and don't allow fear or worry to guide your way. It may be best to keep your secrets to yourself now. So that is what, because deception is there. Deception is there. Maybe you are revealing your secrets to someone. Maybe you are thinking somebody is close to you, somebody is your friend, somebody is your whatsoever trustworthy person. Maybe this person is not reliable. So you need to check your insider to see what is happening outside. Why your results are failing, why things are not working out. You need to check your insider over here. Okay, so do not trust anyone. Do not tell anybody what are your plans, what is your next move, and then only you will be able to come out of it. Because otherwise it is the deception which is going on, which is spoiling everything over here. I just hope it helps, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and let's meet again in the next video. Bye.